What's up friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Tango on your Android phone. Go ahead and open up your Play Store guys, and here you want to use the search and simple type in Tango. Once you go ahead and type that in, hit the search and you'll find the Tango app. All you have to do, just simple tap on install and you will see that the Tango app is been installed on your phone. You just need to allow it a few minutes, maybe 1 to 2 minutes most likely, and you will have the app installed on your phone in no time. So I'm going to allow this a few more seconds to finish install, and let's see what this app is about. And there you have it guys, Tango is finished install on my phone, and just go ahead and click on open and you will have the Tango app. As you can see here, you can just simply go ahead and continue with your Gmail account. I'm going to go ahead and do so. And once you select an email address or a Gmail account, you'll be taken into the app. You can simply go ahead and choose if you want to stay connected, or you can simply choose no thanks. It's really up to you. And you just want to go ahead and continue to set it up. So I'm going to simply enter my date of birth here. And as you can see, you might get some advertisement. You can simply hit the skip in the upper right. And there it is. You can choose if you want to allow notifications or whatever. I'm going to simply click don't allow. There you have it, guys. This is basically Tango. You can go ahead and you can go through Tango and use Tango whatever you want.